Be sure to cook.
Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, we're going to be making my version of Korean beef short ribs. So let's do this and stay tuned. Here are my beef ribs. It's got a lot of fat on these beef ribs, and I'm going to make some slits in these. I'm going to try to get rid of some of that fat. That's just too much fat for me. Okay, now I have gotten rid of majority of the fat. Now we're going to be rinsing off our meat and cleaning this meat up really good. Okay, I'm just like pat drying them. Make sure I can get majority of that moistened water off these short ribs. Okay, I got a little ginger here, but I don't need the skin of the ginger. So I'm going to peel the skin back from the ginger. Yep. And getting that great part of the ginger. So I'm going to take and I'm going to slice and thin. All right, these are my green onions and I wash and clean it up. So since this has already been done, I don't need to do nothing but start chopping. Now, let's prepare our sauce. We got some rice wine vinegar. I'm going to be using a whole tablespoon. Okay, 1 1/2 teaspoon of sweet chili sauce. 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. So I just need a little bit onion powder in there. 1/4 teaspoon of thyme. 1/4 teaspoon any all around season you like. I'm using a Mrs. Dash table blend. And half of 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. And this is smoked paprika, so it makes it even better. A low soy sauce, which is low sodium soy sauce, or any type of soy sauce you have. I got 1/8 teaspoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of honey. So I'm just gonna pour my honey into this tablespoon. You need a whole tablespoon of brown sugar. I got minced garlic and red chili peppers that I'm gonna use. And oh, this is in a jar. I'm gonna use about a tablespoon of this. That's a whole full tablespoon. And I'm gonna chop it up and mix it in here so I can give it really good flavor. Got a 1/2 tablespoon of that mixed ginger. Those wonderful onions. You remember those green onions? That's about a 1/2 tablespoon of the minced green onions. I am poking a hole inside my ribs and I'm going to make a little slit. I'm going all the way to the bone. So I am going to pour some of my sauce over these ribs. Not all, but just enough to coat these all over. Now this is where you get your hands dirty. And you got to take your ribs and you got to shuffle them through all this wonderful sauce. And you're going to pick all this sauce up on this rib. Okay, this sauce here is so delicious and I can't let this go. So I'm just going to sprinkle it over each one of them until I get all the sauce. And I'm not going to leave out my peppers and all the sauce. This sauce is delicious. And you can use this sauce for anything, for any kind of marinade or any kind. It's going to be great on pork too. So don't forget, I'm just going to stick these in here and let this render. All right, then I'm going to take a top and I'm going to put this on here. And we're going to put this in the oven. Depends on your oven. If your oven cooks a little faster, you might want to turn it down to 325. In the oven it goes. See you in an hour. Okay, we just took it out. Ooh, look at there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put some more sauce on it because you can tell at the bottom that our oil came all out there at the bottom of it. We're going to take these out and put these on a baking sheet. Okay, I'm going to place out of the oil. I don't want it in Here are my short ribs. I'm gonna lay these on a bed of rice. Oh, this rice is a yellow rice. Delicious yellow rice. And here are my Korean beef short ribs. I made a yellow rice with roasted red bell peppers inside of it. This is so delicious. Now, the final topping for this dish is those fine green onions. Remember those fine green onions that I had chopped up? Just a couple of those. Remember, I said thin, not too thin. And there you have it. I hope you like this dish, my Korean beef short ribs with my yellow rice and roasted red bell peppers. I hope you come back soon and so we can make plenty more dishes. Because guess what? I didn't make this alone. You and me, we did this together and we can make plenty more dishes. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, I guess I'm going to leave now. I'll see you next time. Bye.